Hello there, welcome to this video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can edit your Shopify theme code. So it's very easy. First you have to log in your admin panel, and then on the left panel here you can see online store. Click on that, and before edit any code, make sure you have a backup file so that you can change any of the code without any hassle. So for edit the code, click on this button, and here you can see edit code. Just click on that. Now it will be open the code layout, and here you can see lot of coding file. So like if you want to edit theme.liquid file, you can edit it from here. If you want to edit header part, just search header.liquid, and here you can see header.liquid, and you can edit the code from here. So it's very easy, and make sure you have a backup file. So this is the way to edit code in your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.